Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS General Volume 1, Test 1, the Writing Task 2. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people say that it is not possible to be happy without money, while others think that money does not guarantee happiness. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. This 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. Now, in the introduction, describe the essay. In para 1, describe not being happy without money. In para 2, discuss money not guaranteeing happiness. And in the conclusion, give your opinion with some reasons. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, describe the essay. Some feel that only those people who have a lot of monetary wealth can be happy. There are others, however, who say that this claim is not necessarily true. In this essay, I will discuss the points of view of both these people and then give my opinion about the relation between monetary wealth and happiness. Now, in para 1, discuss not being happy without money. Some people are of the opinion that money is the only source of happiness because they may have experienced long periods of monetary hardships wherein they were unable to buy the things that could have made them happy. Moreover, over time, when they may have been able to work their way around the problem, they started being much happier. This is why such people say that money is the primary source of personal contentment. Now, in para 2, discuss money not guaranteeing happiness. There are, however, a number of people who believe otherwise. They in fact say that it may be many other things that brought them happiness, such as having a loving and caring family and enjoying the simpler things of life like taking a walk in the park or learning to play a musical instrument. They may feel so because it is possible that they may have an abundance of money, but that money may have been a source of dispute between them and their family members. Now, in the conclusion, give your opinion with some reasons. Thus, after discussing both these views, I believe that material elements such as money, property, and gold, as well as non-material elements such as good relationships and virtues, are essential aspects of life and are equally responsible in making a person feel happy. Now, the next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. And as usual, thank you for watching.